Israel, you can start planning for your success. Surely, it is a serious issue. 3 states will be affected. 3 sovereign states, I'm not saying regional states. Sovereign states will be covered by this snow pattern, and America will know that Trump doesn't need to win election to be a president, but he needs to understand that God is watching over everything. So I cancel this funny days that is being declared upon Trump. Though he may not win the elections, God will can make him a leader. Father, we thank you. Voices declaring a death sentence upon him, when God is still looking at how to make him achieve without a rerun, because him being the second contender, the second scorer, will cause a big confusion, and people may desire a rerun that is not applicable in such a land. Father, thank you for cancelling this rerun. May the difference call for people to sit and make a decision for their land. For glory to remain. For glory to remain. For glory to remain. For glory to remain.
Campaigns, gunshots and blood. The U.S. presidential race has now seen an assassination attempt on the front runner. Donald Trump is safe now, but not without a shot in his right ear. And over 8 hours later, we finally have a name for the subject involved in the shooting. Here's a roundup of how the events unfolded through the day. Well, it was a rather busy day of campaigning in Pennsylvania for the former U.S. President Donald Trump. But moments after he took the stage, multiple gunshots were fired at the venue at Trump's rally in Pennsylvania, where people could hear loud bangs were heard at the rally. A bullet pierced Trump's right ear and blood could be seen on his ear and face. Footage showed Trump's grimace, and then he raised his hand to his ear and he died.